Photos and video of Mayor Joan Dunuan of Baggao, Cagayan became viral. Dunuan was seen dancing without face mask at a public event. Days after the viral post, there was a spike in COVID-19 cases in Baggao. The number went up to 212 because of the additional 29 cases. The new cases included the Lady Mayor. The viral photos and video reached the office of Cagayan Governor Manuel Mamba. Mamba issued this memorandum to Dunuan. In the memo, the governor stressed to the Lady Mayor the duty of public officers. Dunuan, however, denied violating health protocols. She claims the viral photos and video happened during the People's Day a year ago.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.